For the repair of the Desco PCB, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add an 18-volt AC power supply and a multimeter in order to measure the voltage output. Soon as we turn on the power supply, the unit reacts accordingly and the LED indicator lights up. We can also see the 5 voltage output of the unit on the multimeter screen. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the PCB is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.